Hi guys, Charlie Bradford here and welcome back to my channel. Today you're here because you're trying to find out how you can get started with affiliate marketing. And this is affiliate marketing for beginners, and I'm talking to you guys here in the UK because I'm from the UK. And I just want to show you that this is the best business model out there for starting to earn money online. Absolutely anyone can do it. I truly believe that, and I will show you guys how with 3 of my top methods for doing it. So the 3 methods, they're all great, but number 3 in particular is my absolute favourite. I think that's the best model for starting an affiliate marketing business. So stay to the end, guys. I'm going to show you that method. And if you're thinking, you want to get involved, it's really something you want to start, but you want a bit more in-depth training, you want a bit more insight, then I have put together a completely free training series. All you got to do is click the link below this video, guys. You can jump straight into there. Put your best email in, because that is going to that's going to be sent to you over email. It's a 4-day training series, and I've put that together just for you, just to get you started, to show you that it is possible, and it's very, very simple when you understand how it works. But for today, let's get on with the 3 methods. So let's jump straight into method number 1. And method number 1 is promoting software products through affiliate marketing. So let's jump straight in. So method number 1, and this method, as I said, is all about promoting software. So there's a number of different ways you can do that, but software is a great product to promote. And the reason for that is that it can be used in multiple different industries, multiple different niches, multiple different businesses. And essentially the structure, as you can see on the screen there, is I've taken YouTube as an example, but that can be any marketing strategy that you use. It could be Facebook organic, it could be email marketing. There's plenty of different ways that you can use, and again, as I've said, I'll go into more detail about different things like that in the free training series. You can get that below, just hit the link below, guys. But we're going to talk about a YouTube video. So if you're promoting software, what you would normally do with something like that is you'll do a review video on the software. You review the software, you'll say why you think it is good, and that does take an investment on your part, because you'll have to go and buy the software. Some software programs out there will come with free trials. You could do it in that, but I always recommend that the ethical way to promote products is that you use, or you have used a product, you've found value in it yourself, because then you understand how that product works and what problems that can solve for your potential customers. I think that's the ethical way to do it. A lot of people out there, they'll just pick links from all sorts of different products and every bit of software out there, and just do loads of review videos, having never really used it. They've just gone in there, played around with it so they can understand it, done a review video, and then never touched it again. And I don't think that's the ethical way, and that's not the way that I recommend that you do it. But you can do a review video. You can do something like say like a sales funnel building software. Sales funnels are changing the way that we purchase products online. They really are. And if you get into affiliate marketing, you will absolutely get involved with funnels, because you'll be building capture pages, you'll be building sales pages, offer pages. There'll be multiple different levels of a sales funnel that you build. Again, I go into detail about that in the training series that I put together. You can jump in that, click the link below, guys. And I've done other videos as well on my channel, all about building sales funnels and how you can do that. So you want to go and check them out, feel free. But you can also do videos based around building the products. You can show someone, say a sales funnel, you can show someone how to build a sales funnel in that piece of software from scratch, and you can say, look, if you want to follow along, there's a link below the video, go and grab the software, there's a free trial, whatever it may be, or just go and grab it, and you can follow through while I'm doing it. That's a great way to promote software. And the other advantage with software is it tends to be recurring commissions, which is what I like. Personally, I love recurring commissions, because it means that you're generating a more passive income from the business. If it's one-time sales, you're constantly grinding for that sale, and it becomes draining. You're essentially just trading time for money. With a software, they tend to be recurring monthly
subscription fees for software, and you'll get a percentage of that. Generally that's between 30 to 80% commissions, usually around about the 50% mark, and you'll get that commission. So that's what it leads to. That's method one. It's a great method to use, something that I use, and yeah, it's a perfect method for getting started. So something you can start with, guys, very easily without costing a lot of money. Essentially all you need to do is buy the software that you want to promote, and like I said, you can get a lot of the softwares out there have free trial periods, 2 weeks, a month, a couple of months sometimes. You can go and buy it, you can go and use it, you can get to know it and then promote it through YouTube videos or any other method that you see fit. So,
okay guys, so we've covered method number one now. I want to jump straight into method number two, and that is talking about promoting products through affiliate marketing. So let's jump straight in there. Let's go and talk about the benefits of that model. Let's get stuck in.
Method number two, guys. Method number two is essentially the same as the first one, but instead of promoting software, you're promoting products. And if you're becoming an affiliate marketer, or looking to become an affiliate marketer, a lot of those products will be digital products. They won't be physical products, although you can do that there, and you can get involved with Amazon and stuff like that, and they have affiliate programs that you can get involved with, and that way you can actually promote like physical products. What I tend to find with the physical products is the commissions and return on your investment is a lot lower. The percentage of commissions you get is a lot lower. I think Amazon, I'm not an expert on this, but I think the best you're going to get is about 12%, whereas digital products, self-development products and stuff like that, you're going to get upwards of 50% commission, which is much better. I'm sure you'll agree. So anyway, you're going to promote the same way. If you're working on YouTube, again, you're going to do review videos, you're going to do training videos, maybe give some of the value that you've learned through that product. And again, I'll say it again, but I always recommend that you buy the products you're promoting, you fully consume those products so that you understand how they can solve your potential customers' problems. And that's the ethical way, I believe, to do it. So everything I promote, I own. I buy the products and I consume the products. And if it doesn't work for me, then I don't promote it. I only promote stuff that's worked for me, that I understand, I know what value it gives. And this is why I've put together the training series that you can have access to. Just hit the link below, as I've said before, guys, and you can have access to that. And that's why I put it together, because I want to show you how you can get started. So very basic. It's exactly the same as the first one, but you're going to promote, probably you're going to start promoting digital products through that, and that will be, say, a training course that you buy into. That could be from anything from $7 up to $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 for a training program that you may buy into. Their high-ticket training programs, and then you can promote that product directly, and again that will lead to you getting commissions. That's how affiliate marketing works. So another great method.
Okay guys, so we've covered method number one, we've covered method number two, we're on to number three. Both of those methods are really good. I've used both of them in the past myself, but method number three, as I said at the beginning, is my absolute favourite. I think it is the best way to start an affiliate marketing business, and that's because it gives you the whole lot all in one. It gives you multiple streams of income in one strategy, and I want to jump in there and just show you exactly what I think is the best. But just before we do that, just remember what I said at the beginning. If you want to find out a little bit more about affiliate marketing, you're ready to get stuck in, but you want something, a bit more hand-holding, a bit more information, then just hit the link below, guys. That will take you into the free training series I've created. That'll just give you that bit more of a background, get you started, because I truly believe that anyone can earn money online with affiliate marketing. So let's jump in, guys. Let's get into number three.
And then method number three, guys, this is, as I said at the beginning, this is my favourite method for building an affiliate marketing business. I truly believe this is the best way to do it. And if you're starting out, it's a fantastic model. It really is, because what it does, it combines the other two into one package. So if you want to find out more, I talk about it a lot in the training series that I put together. I've mentioned that already. But I've got the YouTube video content there because everything that you're doing with affiliate marketing, if you're creating content, you're building a personal brand, and then in doing that, you're going to drive people to the offer that you have. And the partner program, what this is about is essentially someone allows you to partner with them to tap into their business model. Someone that's earned huge money in affiliate marketing, and they allow you to get commissions from everything within that program, not just the products that they're promoting within that program, and that can be numerous different products. They may have softwares, they may have training programs, they may have ads or traffic generation stuff that the people within the program will purchase. And once you get someone to sign up through your link, anything they buy within that program, anything they buy within that program, you will get a commission for, and you don't need to own the product to get that commission. All you need to do is buy into the partnership program of that product, and that will lead you to multiple streams of commission, so multiple streams of revenue from one product. This is why they're so powerful, guys. So not only do you get you get commissions from direct product sales, so that could be high ticket sales, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, as I've said. You'll get one-time commissions for that. But as people sign up to the software that is promoted within the training program, you get commissions for that, and then that can become recurring commissions. So you're going to get recurring commissions, you're going to get high ticket sales, you're going to get low ticket sales. It's going to be a passive, multiple streams of revenue business for you, and that's why I think it is absolutely the best model for starting a business in affiliate marketing, because it creates that fully rounded business model. And it will really help you scale that business a lot quicker. So again, if you want to find out a little bit more about that, just hit the link below, guys, and that is method 3 done.
Okay guys, so that's all 3 covered. I've explained to you how you can promote software and why that's so good, how you can promote products, again, a great strategy, and then my favourite number 3, the partnership strategy, and why that is such a powerful business model. There's not many out there that do it, as I explained, and I just want to say, again, if you're interested in finding out any more about partnership strategy, I talk about it a lot in the free training series. Hit the link below, guys. Put your details in there. You can get access to that. It's completely free, and it's completely up to you, obviously. But I talk about the partnership strategy in there and how you can get involved in that. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and until next time, I'll speak to you soon.